Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Huawei P30 Pro. This one is totally damaged, but you can still use it. So what's the deal? So of course the display is cracked, the back cover is cracked. It's a total carnage, but this Huawei P30 Pro, as what we have mentioned, is still usable. But the point is that when you touch broken glass every day, all the time, it can be a matter of time before you cut yourself. So it's not going to be any more safe physically for the user, for our client to continue using this beat up P30 Pro. So we have removed the back cover and we are going to dispose of that. We're not going to reuse it. And we're also going to replace the display, and we have a display assembly with the battery already installed. So we're going to replace the battery as well. So at the end of this repair, the P30 Pro will look amazing. It will look brand new from the outside, but it will still use the same components except for the battery. We're going to detach the cover for the main board. It's also the wireless charging module. There's lots of screws. It's going to fling out. We're going to detach the antenna cables, and based on experience, Huawei smartphones, when you try to disassemble them, they come in small pieces. And we'll see if that is the case in this one. I'm going to remove the cover for the daughter board, detach some connectors into the daughter board. And this is, I believe, is SIM card tray and just a part of the daughter board. So you can see tiny bits and pieces just goes out of the housing. This is the charging port with the cable, and then another part of the daughter board. Still have to remove some small ones. So yeah, it's the same case on our previous Huawei fixes here in the shop. It comes off in million pieces, and this is the replacement display. It's a different color, it's black, but it is on the same model and it's compatible with the components that we have here. It's also got a brand new battery already pre-installed. And what's not to like? We're going to remove all the plastics that you can see there. David is still thinking. Yep, some components had to go. We're going to replace it with the actual component from the original display. So it's safer that way, because it's good practice, because sometimes parts just work together from the factory. Although we have some components already on the housing, we would much rather prefer that we use the components that goes with the original main board or daughter board. This one is for the front camera. What's next? The fingerprint scanner, I believe, is for the fingerprint scanner underneath the display. You have the hole there, and it's rather flimsy. Man, if you try to DIY this fix on your P30 Pro, yeah, just don't attempt it. Have a professional do it for you. Even if you have if you're an enthusiast, this is gonna be a nightmare just tracking down components. But if you want the challenge, if you have the right mindset to fix this, if you have researched about it, then go for it. But here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we will do a professional job and on a much faster time frame. And of course, David here just breezing through the repair. He has seen a lot of Huawei smartphones, so this layout is rather familiar. Just a few differences, but in general, Huawei smartphones are quite difficult to repair, but they are fixable. I'm gonna reverse the process. I'm not gonna delve into it one by one. And yeah, we haven't really tested the display if it works, and even the battery. We're just gonna put back everything together and do the first test, and hopefully it works. And it will work because David here is a professional. Of course it's gonna work. I'm gonna do a lot of screwing on the screws, and this is the final one. There you go. I'm gonna peel off. There's no ASMR here. Just gonna go straight to testing. And it's a long press. And we're still pressing the power button. And there you go. It's Huawei. We can't go into the phone, but here we can test that the touchscreen is working, charging, it is good. There you go. We're just gonna close it up. Brand new P30 Pro in different color. Would you like that? If you're interested on the repair services that we have here, message us, leave a comment down below, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Of course, like and subscribe, guys. We release new videos every day. If you're into these repair stuff, if you support Right to Repair, support Sydney CBD Repair Center. And that's gonna be it. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're